In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change background color in Figma. Start by opening your design in Figma, either in the desktop app or in your browser. Once your file is open and you can see your canvas, make sure you have a clear view of your frames or artboards. This change applies to the page's canvas background, so we want to avoid accidentally editing a specific frame or layer. Next, deselect everything on the canvas. To do that, click once on the gray area outside your frames. You should see that no layers are highlighted in the Layers panel on the left. Deselecting is important because the background control only appears when nothing is selected. If something is selected, the right sidebar will show that item's properties instead, and the background option won't be visible. Now look to the right-hand sidebar, and make sure you are on the Design tab. If you see other tabs like Prototype or Inspect, switch back to Design so you can view editing options. With nothing selected, you'll be at the page level, and you'll find a section labeled Background. This is where you control the canvas color you see behind your frames as you work. To change the color, click the color swatch next to Background. This opens Figma's color picker. You can drag within the color field to choose a tint or shade. Use the hue slider to move through the spectrum or type a specific color value if you have a brand color in mind. As you adjust the color, the canvas updates instantly, which makes it easy to compare options and pick something that improves contrast with your design. You can also fine-tune transparency using the opacity slider in the color picker. Slide it to the left to make the background more transparent or to the right for a fully solid color. A more transparent background can help when you want a lighter visual environment while designing. While a solid background is useful for viewing colors in context without the distraction of the default gray, keep in mind that this page background affects how your canvas looks as you work. It does not replace a frame's fill and typically is not part of your exported frames. If you need a background color in your final export, set a fill on the frame itself. Otherwise, use the page background purely for your workspace visibility and contrast. Once you are happy with the color and opacity, simply close the color picker and continue designing with your updated canvas backdrop. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.